recently had to take a tree down in my backyard, and I used the DCCS 620 as well as my 60 volt Greenworks up there. So I figured I'd give you all a little review on this Dewalt. Go ahead and get the battery in there, and I'll show you all how it works. Alright, so I've got my saw here, got my barn chain oil. From what I understand, you just go ahead and lift this up here, turn it to unlock it. Well, that's pretty simple. And then we're just gonna fill it up, slap the battery in, and get going. Looks pretty good. I always make a mess with these things. Put that back in. And we'll be using the 6 amp hour battery today. It does have the 21700 cells in it, so we'll see how it does. Alright, let's go ahead and check the tension on this thing. Pretty decent. Tighten it a little bit more. Ah, so that's pretty simple, pretty nice. Alright, let's get this thing spinning. This is, I want to say, about a 6-inch log here. Let's go ahead and try to tackle the whole thing. I think this could do it. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad for electric. This is all oak, by the way. I feel like it's hard to get a good angle of this. That's one-handed, by the way. Got another little branch I gotta break up. Again, not bad. This is a 2-inch. So yeah, this thing didn't do too bad at all. If you got some small cuts to make, maybe like max 8 inches, this will do it. I don't know if using one of these 21700 cell batteries makes a difference. I'm guessing it does, but it's a solid saw. Lightweight, easy to adjust. I did a lot of overhead pruning with this thing. Super easy to adjust chain tension, easy to oil, doesn't make a big mess. I use this thing for maybe like 2 hours, so it's pretty solid, easy to clean. I'm gonna go ahead and say 2 thumbs up on this one.